Hi friends, so today we are going to try this new feature in PictoBlox which is called control. So we have a Wizbot Max and let's click the control button. By the way, I'm using 9.1 PictoBlox which is recently released. Now I will click the Wizbot as a device and then Wizbot Max, that's the one I am using right now, and it's looking for it. Because I'm using desktop, I have to activate PictoBlox link, and then I think my Wizbot is switched off. So it was PictoBlox link was already on, just that my Wizbot was switched off. So it's back again. It was in a power saving mode. It was on for a long time and I was not using, so it was off. So now try again, and we found it connected. You got the sound, and go to control. Now we have all the buttons and we'll see what are the things we have. So this is the grid mode where W, let's click this. Okay, it's going front, going back, and as you can see the arrow and then what it means, it's the same. And WASD is the keyboard shortcut for the same. And then I can press the W button and it will do the same. So from my keyboard I press the W button, it did the same for the up arrow. And then this is the effect. What's this effect? Oh, the two lights in the front is on. And then music. Okay, stop. Okay, so I'm trying to stop it, somehow it's not stopping. Maybe we'll check. And this is the draw mode. So whenever you're in the draw mode, you have all these options: go front, go back, turn 90 degree, and if you want to change the 90 degree to something else, whatever you want, you change. So whenever you are in the you are in the screen free mode, I mean in the other side of the Wizbot, this option, when you slide this sliding button, right? So that's the time you get some double shortcuts, like you press both the button at the same time, and you get a shortcut like instead of 90 degree it will be 45 degree or 60 degree, like that. But here we have more flexibility, looks like 30 degree and many other degrees it supports. So what is the granularity? 75, 60, 60, 45, and then 50, 60. So 15 degree. So every 15 degree you have an option, so you can choose to be there. And because it's the drawing mode, I believe while it is turning left or right, it will not do the back kick. So the back kick is for IR line following mode and all, but for drawing mode it will not, I believe. So let's see, I'll turn. So if I turn like 90 degree, I'll go forward first. So let me put it here. I'll go forward and then I'll take a 90 degree turn. So you see it's just turning, it's not going back and then coming front, those kind of things not happening. And then this is similarly the other side, going back. And what is this? Turns. So how much turn it is? Okay, so we have, this is one kind of turn. And what is this? Okay, let's hover. Circular left, circular left, circular left, and circular left. So why? I think that's the selection here. So if I select this, it will change. It will change to what? Circular left 1. Okay, and then so all are naming as circular left 1. So let's see how it behaves. So I'll keep it here and then click on the first option. So circular left 90 degree. So it's not it's taking circular path while rotating 90 degree. I think that's what they mean. And then if I go to this option, let's see how it behaves differently from the previous. I think it needs more curvature. Why? Let's see one more time. Okay, and then let me come back to the previous one. How it is different? So it's a bigger curvature. It's taking a bigger curvature where it is the smaller one. And what this should be? It's a backward. It's a backward, and similarly the backward for a bigger curvature. Yeah, and then this is the right. So circular right should be the same on the other side, but yeah, let's not guess. See it. Okay, this one. And then, by the way, the marking you see in my table, it can help you to better understand how the curvature is. Yeah, so that's the other one. And then finally back. So I will stay here and then start, right? And then a bigger curvature. So all are named as circular right of within bracket 2. So probably they would like to change the hover and make it more descriptive. And yeah, let's see. I think they will definitely come up with some idea, or maybe I am understanding something wrong. Why they all are naming the same in the hover? Please write down in my comment section if you find out any different reason for doing this. Let's go to the play mode and see what's the last one giving us. Okay, so play mode and grid mode are the same. Grid mode on, and then draw mode on. Okay, so this is the grid mode. Yeah, so that's what the whenever you are in the grid mode, you see how it turns. So if you take a turn, it's going backward and doing like I was telling. And in the drawing mode, that kick is not there. And the play mode also looks like in a draw mode. So draw mode has two options, draw and play. And what's the difference? So in the draw mode, you are doing those activities, precise, more different movements, and whatever you have in the grid mode, the same thing if you want to do in draw mode. So it's a good comparison, I believe. So grid mode and play mode can be a like we can compare between them. So grid mode, we did a turn and we saw how it looks like. The same thing I do in the play mode. All the buttons, everything is same. And now if I click, oh, it's so fast. Wow, what's that? Ha. I think we need to calibrate the speed, or because it's a play mode, I think it's more playful. It's what's intended. I mean, you can go front and see. It's too fast. Nice. It has some playful gesture. So that I think that's it mean for, and then it's good. Okay, so these are all the items I see in the in this mode, this new mode they have given in 9.10. And please write down in my comment section what if I missed something, or if you have some suggestions that we can convey to PictoBlox team that they can improve in the upcoming version. Please write down in the comment section. I will definitely take it to the PictoBlox Stempedia team. And thank you.